Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be posting a cleaning video for you, a realistic cleaning. I know Power Hour is supposed to be a very rushed, get it all done type of thing, but I thought, you know what, I'm going to take my time. I am a high school teacher and I usually spend my time grading papers. So this was actually me wasting time so I didn't have to get on those essays. Today, I just figured I would clean my kitchen, my dining area, the floors, and a section of my living room that the dogs like to lay in.
I got ish to do, flying through the sky in my parachute, dancing on the couch like I'm Tommy Cruise, on a one-man mission trying to see it through, yeah. I got the password, yeah, I finally got the password. Added up the numbers, now the math works. I got the way to make the path work. All these lights turning from red to green. Timing is everything, and it feels so good to shine. Gon' get a light. I'm living my best life, living my best life. So come and get a light. I'm living my best life, my best life. Hey, I'm popping like champagne, glass half full of like every day. No more working at or ballet. I had to rock the boat so I could ride the wave, yeah. I got the password, yeah, I finally got the password. Laughing cause I got the cheat code to life, and we all gon' be alright, so come and get it like.
I just broke the cheese grater. Like, I seriously just scrubbed it so hard that it broke off in my hand.
I'm living my best life, my best life. Perfect timing, sun is shining, nothing more I need, yeah. If you feel like this your best life, won't you sing with me? I'm living my best life, living my best life. So come and get it like. I'm living my best life, living my best life. I'm living my best life. I'm living my best life. I'm living my best life, living my best life.
Living in the dark, looking for a spark. I feel it coming, I feel it coming. Waiting for the chance, trying to understand. Time keeps running, time keeps running. Can't get that far if you're scared to leave. Never reach those stars if you don't believe. So wake up, wake up. Don't waste your life on looking down. Gotta lift your feet up off the ground. Get up, and find yourself.
I know I should just get a step stool, but it is just so easy to open the cabinet door and step on that bottom shelf.
Find yourself, find yourself. Every step you take, it all begins to change. Feel your heartbeat running, your heartbeat running. Breathe in a better life. Now your eyes are open wide. There's a new day coming, a new day coming. You can't move on if
in the day, my sister was a huge fan of the Fly Lady cleaning website. And one of the tips was always, don't go to bed without cleaning and drying out your sink. And honestly, it is one of those things that I just always do.
Wake up. Don't waste your life on looking down. Gotta lift your feet up off the ground. Get up and find yourself.
Comment down below if your dining table looks like this at the end of the week. I swear to you, it is the landing zone in my house. Everything is going on that table.
Over there, I see you staring, boy. What are you thinking? I need to know. Oh, why don't you come on over? Go ahead, slide a little closer. I sure love to know ya. What are you waiting for? 'Cause this band sounds pretty good, and I'm digging the color of your eyes, and I can't help wondering maybe would you wanna do something tonight? We could lay out in the bed of that truck, staring right up at the stars in the sky. Throw on some old Springsteen, crank it on up, feel the heat as we dance into the beat in those headlights. Let's do something tonight. Hey boy, I just wanna know your dreams, where you've been and what you think. I think you should come with me. Boy, I know it's getting late, but that's a chance I like to take. And by the way you're looking at me, we don't have to wait. 'Cause this band sounds pretty good, and I'm digging the color of your eyes, and I can't help wondering maybe would you wanna do something tonight? We could lay out in the bed of that truck, staring right up at the stars in the sky. Throw on some old Springsteen, crank it on up, feel the heat as we dance into the beat in those headlights. Let's do something tonight. Oh, 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 Hey boy, I see you over there. I see you staring. Yeah, let's do something tonight. We could lay out in the bed of that truck, staring right up at the stars in the sky. Throw on some old Springsteen, crank it on up, feel the heat as we're dancing to the beat in those headlights. Let's do something tonight. Oh, 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 oh. Let's do something tonight. Oh, oh,
I'll be that silver lining to the story. If you thought that I would turn and run, then y'all don't know me. May my fears rest in peace, 'cause that's a old me. Got this taste on my tongue, I crave the glory. Gasoline in my veins, be the fuel through my pain. Oh, as we rise from the flames. Heart of a lion, never say never. Cut like a diamond, shine under pressure. Oh, it's time to fire on up. Oh, it's time to fire on up. Pound on your chest like there's no tomorrow. Just play the game right, no one can follow. Oh, it's time to fire on up. Oh, it's time to fire on up. the struggle is real. I say the struggle reveals how you deal with the monster that's inside you. I don't buy into the luck. I put my faith and my trust in my team. Everything that we done been through. Gasoline in my veins, be the fuel through my pain.
Alexa, add Swiffer dusters to the shopping list.
Swiffer added to your shopping list.
Oh, as we rise from the flames. Heart of a lion, never say never. Cut like a diamond, shine under pressure. Oh, it's time to fire on up. Oh, it's time to fire on up. Pound on your chest like there's no tomorrow. Just play the game right, no one can follow. Oh, it's time to fire on up. Oh, it's time to fire on up. Hey, 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 hey. Heart of a lion, never say never. Cut like a diamond, shine under pressure. It's time to fire on up. It's time to fire on up, yeah. Pound on your chest like there's no tomorrow. Just play the game right, no one can follow. Oh, it's time to fire on up. Oh, it's time to fire on up.
My favorite combination of essential oils makes my house smell like the Anthropologie volcano candle. Basically, my house smells like the Anthropologie store, and that is amazing. I will leave a list of the essential oils that I used in the description below.
I'll be that silver lining to the story. If you thought that I would turn and run, then y'all don't know me. Made my face rest in peace.
So here I am just finishing up my hour of cleaning. I have essays to get to, so I'm going to leave it at that. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you know when I post my next video. Thanks so much.